Becoming a landlord for the first time can be both exciting and overwhelming. Whether you've invested in rental property for extra income or are looking to build long-term wealth, managing tenants and maintaining property can be challenging. However, with the right knowledge and preparation, you can set yourself up for success. In this article, we'll share essential first-time landlord tips that will help you navigate the world of property management with confidence. Understanding your role as a landlord. Before diving into specific tips, it's important to understand your responsibilities as a landlord. You're not just renting out property, you're providing a safe and comfortable home for your tenants. This means maintaining the property, complying with local laws, and ensuring a positive tenant experience. By approaching your role with professionalism and dedication, you can build a good reputation and reduce potential headaches down the line. Screen tenants carefully. One of the most critical first-time landlord tips is to carefully screen your tenants. A thorough screening process can prevent future issues such as late payments or property damage. Make sure to verify their employment, check credit reports, and ask for references from previous landlords. It's also a good idea to conduct a background check to ensure they don't have a history of evictions or criminal behavior. Good tenants are the key to a successful rental experience. They pay rent on time, respect your property, and communicate any issues. By taking the time to find the right tenants up front, you can avoid costly and stressful situations later. Set clear rental terms and expectations. Once you've found the right tenants, it's essential to establish clear rental terms and expectations. Create a detailed lease agreement that outlines everything from the rent amount and payment schedule to rules about pets, maintenance responsibilities, and late fees. This is one of the most important first-time landlord tips because it prevents misunderstandings and disputes. Ensure that your tenants fully understand the terms of the lease before they sign it and be prepared to answer any questions they may have. A strong lease agreement is the foundation of a smooth landlord-tenant relationship. Stay organized with finances and maintenance. As a first-time landlord, keeping your finances and property maintenance organized is crucial. Create a system to track rental payments, expenses, and any maintenance work that needs to be done. Consider using property management software or a simple spreadsheet to stay on top of everything. Additionally, set aside a portion of the rental income for repairs and unexpected expenses. Maintenance issues are inevitable, and it's important to have a budget in place to address them promptly. Staying organized will not only help you avoid stress, but also ensure your property remains in top condition for tenants. Consider working with a property manager. Managing a rental property can be time-consuming, especially if you have multiple units or properties. If you find it challenging to handle all the responsibilities of being a landlord, consider working with a property management company. A property manager can handle everything from tenant screening and rent collection to maintenance and legal issues. Let Ryconn Property Management help you succeed. Being a first-time landlord doesn't have to be overwhelming. By following these first-time landlord tips, you can confidently manage your property and ensure a positive rental experience for both you and your tenants. If you need professional support or want to ensure your property is managed efficiently, consider partnering with Ryconn Property Management. With our expertise in property management, we can take the stress out of being a landlord and help you achieve long-term success. Contact us today to learn more.